discuss how the Constitution protects the rights of minorities in India. Ans. The Constitution of India does not recognize religious minorities. All votes shall be enrolled in one general electoral roll for any territorial constituency. Article 325. There is no discrimination on the grounds of religion, caste, race, or tribe in election or public services. The Constitution, however, recognizes linguistic and cultural minorities. Any section of the citizens of India having a distinct language, script or culture shall have the right to conserve the same. Article 29, 1. They may have their educational institutions of their own choice. Article 30. They may get the language spoken by them officially recognized. Article 347. There is no reservation of seats in the House of People or Legislative Assembly for any community, except scheduled castes and scheduled tribes and Anglo-Indians. Articles 330 to 333. The claims of scheduled castes and tribes shall be taken into consideration in making appointments to public services consistently with efficiency of the administration. Article 335. During the first 2 years after the commencement of this constitution, appointment of Anglo-Indians to posts in the railways, customs, postal and telegraph services shall be made on the same basis as immediately before the 15th August 1947. There shall be successive reduction in such reservation by 10% after every 2 years. Article 336. The President or Governor, as the case may be, may nominate two members of the Anglo-Indian community to Parliament or the Legislative Assembly if their representation is inadequate. Such representation in Parliament or Legislative Assemblies or public services for any community shall cease on the expiry of 10 years after the commencement of the Constitution. Articles 344, 356. Reservation of seats and special representation to cease after 20 years. Article 334 of the Constitution of India as amended by the Constitution, 23rd Amendment, Act, 1969, provides that a. The reservation of seats for the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes in the House of the People and b. The representation of the Anglo-Indian community in the House of the People and the Legislative Assembly of the states by nomination shall cease to have effect on the expiration of a period of 40 years, amended by 45th Amendment Act 1980, from the commencement of this Constitution. Formerly, the period of reservation was intended to be only 14 years from the commencement of the Constitution, but now by the new amendment, i.e., the Constitution, 23rd Amendment, Act, 1969, the reservation will continue for 30 years. 45th Amendment, Act has amended the Article 336 and now expiry period has been extended up to 40 years instead of 30 years.